Hello and welcome to Fun Sock Creations' final episode of Star Wars inspired tie-dye. In this 7th part, we're doing a reverse tie-dye method, which involves bleaching out the color. Feel free to customize this in any way you like, but we've provided some TIE Fighter and X-Wing templates in the free pattern below. Feel free to check out our previously released Star Wars inspired tie-dye episodes by clicking the little info link in the upper right-hand corner. You'll need the following supplies to create this project. You can also check out funsockcity.com for the comfiest white socks. Begin by cutting out the desired templates. Then, on a bleach-safe surface, lay your sock flat so that the heel is flat against that surface. Then, randomly place the different templates on the sock. In a bleach-safe spray bottle, mix about 4 parts water to 1 part bleach. I did 1/4 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of bleach. Then spray that onto the sock over the templates. They will kind of shrivel up at first, but they stay right where they're supposed to be. The bleach will begin to take away the black color as the template-covered spots keep that black. Let this sit until you get your desired look. You can remove the templates at any time after this point to watch the difference between the bleached area versus the unbleached. Remove the sock and wipe any overspray off of your bleaching surface. Then repeat those same steps on the second sock. Let them sit until you reach the desired look, but do keep in mind that bleach does eat through fabric if you let it sit too long. So just watch that and don't let it sit for longer than 15 to 20 minutes. Anytime after that, you'll want to watch it really carefully. Repeat the same processes on the other sides of the socks. Once you've reached your desired look, throw them in the washing machine, dry them, and then rock your socks. Thanks for joining us!